Hello everyone, welcome to the another lecture of Windows Administration. Here we are going to discuss about Module 2. In the Module 2, we'll be focusing on BIOS, as BIOS is an important segment of a Windows operating system or any operating system we can talk about. So that is the one it is very important to know about. So these are the module in front of you: introduction, about, types of BIOS and difference, booting process, and lab. These are the 5 segments we are going to cover in these upcoming videos of Module 2. In the Module 2, after completing, you will be eligible for providing the proper explanations over the BIOS, that says proper understanding how to set up a BIOS and understanding the whole booting process. These are the skill set that you are going to cover after completion of this particular module. I hope we got it, and see you in the further lecture, guys. Thank you.